Welcome to another edition of the Pushpot Cooking. Today I am going to teach you how to cook authentic rundown Jamaican style. Before we get into it, if you are not a subscriber to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for the support. Let's get into it. I was telling you earlier, we're preparing the season to make rundown. We have some scallion, some thyme, some onion, tomatoes, garlic. We have sweet pepper, which came off the farm here. All right, all organic. I'm not even going to take the seeds out because they add more flavor to the pot. Yeah, so we're gonna cut this up. Also, in here. Yeah, let's put it up here because I'm finished here. Nice. We're gonna make the thyme stay whole. We're not gonna cut it up. All right, garlic. All right, so we're gonna add some pepper to this later. All right, good. All right, so we're about to put the coconut milk in the pot to start the rundown process. Here we go. This is about 3 coconuts, blend and juice. So we're just gonna make this stay on the fire here and boil and simmer down until we get a custard on it to make our rundown. Yeah, the fire blaze. All right, the rundown is coming on nice. If you notice, there's oil in there now. You can see the oil start to come out. That's all natural, organic coconut oil right there that came out. Check back on the rundown now. The coconut milk I showed you earlier. See it simmer down now, all down to custard and oil. That is all organic coconut oil. So if you skim this off, you should get a nice amount of coconut oil to cook with. Great for skincare also. Alright, so this is ready for the salt, mackerel and the seasoning. So we're going to put the seasoning in. All this natural seasoning here. Give this a real nice flavor. And then after we're going to put the salt, mackerel in. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? Huh? Isn't this beautiful? Can't buy this. No, yes, big. Can't buy this, huh?
No restaurant, problem.
No restaurant can't buy, don't?
Yeah.
Nice custard and oil in it. So we're just going to let this simmer down. Need a pepper in a big. Dean! Want a pepper? Yeah, man. See that? Yeah, so I'll put in the salt mackerel on the pot. To the rundown. Yeah, man, salt mackerel gone on the pot to the rundown. Yeah, man, this is the key ingredient, you know, the salt mackerel. See that river?
Yeah, man.
Look good, eh?
Wow, yummy.
Real bush pot.
Coconut milk, make it thing look
Proper, you know?
Yeah.
Wait till the color touch it.
Man.
Alright, people, this can be eaten just like this. The normal way we eat salt mackerel is like this. This will be ready to eat in like 5 minutes after you put a little bit of black pepper on it or some country pepper. Well, we're out in the bush. I want to have no black pepper in it, so I have to put scotch bonnet. Come on, scotch bonnet. Here without scotch bonnet, you can't. Nice. You know, say, you can't cook pot without scotch bonnet. You need to turn up the fire first. Turn up the fire, you know? Put fire, turn up back, fire turn down. So I turn up the fire, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, so without this scotch bonnet, the pot can't nice. So I cut up some scotch bonnet nice. Then I just come out of the freezer. Yeah. Nice green scotch bonnet. Just take them out of the freezer and wash them off. Then I cut them up, you know? So we're going to save these plant seeds because it's crucial to save your seeds, you know? And this is a very good breed of scotch bonnet pepper. No scotch bonnet, you can't nice. Scotch bonnet can't too much on my food now. Keep put more pepper in that pot?
I saw that done, man.
That enough?
Yeah, man.
Alright, one more piece. Alright. Well, keep fire run now ready as it is, you know. But you'll put some vegetable in it still.
I want to taste it.
Is it want to taste it?
Yeah, man.
Alright, give a piece and I can taste it. How it is?
Wonderful, man. Mother nature, real thing.
Alright. How this? Gassy?
Legend.
Yes, sir. Gassy, I want to taste it too. Alright, the winner have to make Gassy taste it too, man. Hold on, the Gassy. Come here, taste Gassy. Is it ready, Gassy?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Take off and go with it.
No, you can't fuck with the pot. Yeah, so now we're gonna add in some vegetables in the pot, yeah? So, carrots. Some of them dash about, so you're gonna put in some callaloo now, yeah? With the callaloo, we can nice. Why pot small, big, so but wait till this simmer down, we'll put in the rest. So just gonna make it simmer down, yeah? And then you'll see the product at the end, alright? Yeah man, that's done. This need about another 2 minutes and you're done. You want the vegetable to be still be crunchy. So this is the salt mackerel rundown, with callaloo and carrots. This is the end product. Can't wait for you to beat up this with the flour then. Alright, big, so we're gonna take off this now and then put it on the flour pot, yeah?
Which people could have smell it, smell it.
Yeah man, the aroma with the coconut is something different,
People could have smell it.
something special, you know?
That one.
So we're gonna just let the simmer down for 5 or 3 more minutes and then we're gonna take it off. Yes people, this is the finished product. Salt mackerel, callaloo, rundown. You know in coconut milk and scotch bonnet pepper. Whoa yo! Prepare this now for boil dumpling them. The bigs are throwing the water in the pot. We're so throwing some water please. So we're gonna make this boil up and we'll put in the dumpling in the pot. So as soon as this boil up, and we are putting the dumpling them, we'll be back to show you the recipe. Alright? So we're just gonna add a little bit of salt to that. The water boil up now. So we're going to put in the dumpling in the pot, yeah? Biggs, is a flour, can I have?
What?
How much flour you have up to the Biggs?
Any much better can work.
And that how much?
Not sure.
Let's take care of 110?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to check the flour pot now, so I want to the flour them now. Yeah man, flour bubble up. The two occurred up on the top of boil. Yeah man, flour bubble up, see it there? Biggs, I have a draft. How much food you want? What flour you want? Yeah?
You say what yet?
What flour you want, Biggs? It makes...
Yo. Meathead.
Yeah, man, get rid of my video.
I got me,
So Biggs, hold on there. What floor Biggs are? Biggs, come to me and share. What floor you are? Alright Biggs, me I'll give you 5 now. And then if anything we'll go back, yeah?
Yeah.
5 good or you want more?
5 good, brother. I don't want to shame you. Understand? Yo, you ready? Look.
I hit flour big same I hit.
You can go on, sir.